Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making dog cookies, so this is not something for ourselves but for our best friend, the dog. We're gonna see if this recipe is a success because I'm gonna feed them to my dog in the end, so stay tuned and let's get into it.
Preheat your oven to 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. Put the oats into a blender and blend until you get a fine powder. You can also use oat flour, but keep in mind that oat flour absorbs more liquid. Put it in a bowl along with the flour. Quickly mix it together and add 1 egg. Water and the peanut butter to it. I use chunky peanut butter, but it's up to you to which one you want to use. You can mix it with the hand mixer, but I like to get in with my hands because it will get messy anyway. If your mixer is too dry, just run your hands under some warm water and keep kneading. This way you slowly add more liquid. Roll it out to a thickness of around a half a centimeter. Grab your cookie cutter and push out all of the cookies. You can roll out the leftover dough to make even more cookies. Place them on a baking sheet and line with parchment paper and bake them for 30 to 40 minutes. My dog still has no idea I'm making these for him. Let them cool completely before feeding them to your dog. He wanted to show his new sweater for all the ladies out there. Let's see if he succeeded and if he likes the cookies. Look at him, he loves them. A little wave to everyone as a thank you for watching the video.
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button. And of course, I see you in the next video.